Alrighty, so we're back with another YouTube video. Okay, this time we are like 500,000 feet in the middle of the air. Okay, we're here with my brothers. We're flying out to Mexico, and I want to talk and make a quick video about why airplanes make so much money. Like, why do airplane companies make so much money, but yet you fail to struggle to sign a client or even make 10K per month? And well, it's because they do something called selling the outcome. They sell the destination, not the vacation. It's something you hear all the time: sell the destination, don't sell the vacation. What does it mean, right? What does it mean to sell the destination, not the vacation? Okay, it's a great question. And so think about this: when you go to buy a plane ticket, are they selling you the actual plane ticket? Are they selling you the actual seat? Are they selling you the long wait times, the babies crying, the TSA hassles, the disgusting food, the weird groggy feeling, the disgusting people you have to sit next to, and all that stuff? No. They don't sell you that kind of stuff, right? What they sell you is the destination, the dream outcome, the place you want to go, right? The luxury villa, the calm beach, the beautiful water, the amazing adventures. That's what they sell you on. Right? When you buy a plane ticket, they're literally showing you actively the place you're going, because that's what they're trying to sell you on, is where you're going, right? Not the seat you sit in, right? None of that. It's where you're going. It's the destination. Because people don't buy features, they buy benefits. People buy because of what it does for them, not because of what it is. People don't buy things because of what it is. They buy it because of what it does for them, right? People don't buy a car to buy a car. They buy it for what it does to them. What does it allow them to do? What kind of leverage does it give them? So the same way with your service, instead of trying to just tell people what it is, tell them and show them what it can do for them. Because people buy things that help them, that benefit them. So sell your service, sell your product or offer as something that benefits the person. Okay? Stop selling the features, sell the benefits. Stop selling the plane tickets, sell the destination, sell the vacation instead. Okay? I flew all the way up here, 50,000 feet in the sky, just to tell you this lesson. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Join my free Discord so you can ask me more questions. I'll chat with you soon. Peace.